Stop it there. Take it back. It's a limousine. It was on the previous camera. It's on every camera.
He was following the limousine.
Where is Gibbs?
Another shrapnel. Lower left lobe.
Blood tests are back.
What type?
A positive.
And Tony's?
A positive.
Yes, well. 34% of the nation's population share the same blood group, so let's not go drawing any conclusions. We'll await the dental records before making positive ID. In the meantime, the lungs. Penetrative shrapnel damage, middle and lower left lobes. Otherwise healthy tissue, non-smoker, minimal scarring.
Minimal scarring.
Minimal scarring.
I got that, Doctor.
Yes, but Mr. Palmer, how could he?
How could he what, sir?
Have minimal scarring in both lungs.
Healthy living?
Yersinia pestis. Why pestis?
The pneumonic plague?
Yes, the plague, Mr. Palmer. This man has never had the plague. He's never had the plague.
He has never had the plague.
He never had the damn plague!
The limousine is leased to a shell company. The parent company is Eurofreight.
Head office is in Luxembourg.
The principal behind the company is René Benoit.
Tony could have been following La Grenouille.
I'm sorry to differ, Timothy, but he wasn't. Look, Tony contracted pneumonic plague, as I'm sure everyone can remember,
Before my time?
He almost died.
from severe pneumonia. As a result, his lungs would have been extensively scarred, unlike the almost pristine lung of the man currently in autopsy. The body on which I am performing an autopsy is not Tony's.
If it's not Tony, then who is it?
And where is DiNozzo?